Hey guys, welcome back to Bee Swarm Simulator. Today I'm playing this with my friend Bruce.
Hi.
So probably gonna be killing the king beetle right now. So as you know, I've just got the photon bee and it is insane. It is insane. I'm telling you, it's just crazy. It's really OP. I'm gonna wait till it does its abilities and then I'm gonna go. It even gives you speed as well. It's like really good. Might as well turn this in as well after we defeat the king beetle. Hurry up already, bro. In a bit, my friend Bruce is gonna have a go and we'll see how good he is if he gets this game. I think he does because he's watched me playing for a bit. We've watched some YouTube videos, so I think he kind of knows what it's about. But anyway, shall we? Come up here, bees. Yep. So we're probably gonna just turn this into brown bear, since we literally never do his quests. Don't know why, they're actually kind of useful. Literally, gave me 25 beta berries. Like, this is the photon bee's ability. It's sick and he gives you so much pollen. But anyway, let's go to defeat this guy. This guy is so easy. You can literally just have a run around him in a circle. And use those. Bro. How am I nearly dead? I literally did. I didn't even get hit, did I? I didn't see it. Stop attacking those trees. What did they do to you? This one's definitely better than your one. 25 tickets! Oh my god! What? That's ridiculous. Yeah, I'm taking that. Can't believe I just got like 25 tickets. That's crazy. Well, I guess we're just getting one step closer to another event day, which is definitely gonna be this tabby bee. The herd is very good. I leave the shop, I think. There's not really much point wasting it on gold eggs anymore. Kinda regret wasting all of my good stuff on gold eggs, but anyway. Who do we want to level up? We were leveling up the Rage Green, weren't we, Bruce?
Yeah, you do. I almost thought you were biased for a sec.
Yeah. Let's do this. Okay, we got another level 8, which is good. Who else is getting close to level 8? Carpenter bee? Yeah, he's getting close. Who's getting, if anyone's getting really close, we'll get another level 8. Who's not level 8 already? Ooh, Bumblebee. Where's my Bumblebee? It's getting so close. Yeah, I'm definitely getting close. Yeah. Do I accidentally do something random? Okay, so we've got another level 8. Good. Might as well just give these. We're gonna start feeding all our stuff to the carpenter to level it up. How close is that ticket planter? Getting really close. Is there like a push room underneath this one? There is, because I wouldn't normally do that. Don't think there is a push room there, actually. It's probably just that. See, that's kind of weird. Stinky. Speaking of push rooms, we've not seen one yet. It's actually kind of crazy. Literally, there isn't any push rooms. Unless it's in like the pineapple patch. Probably where one is. Not been there yet. Should we go to the pineapple patch? I think I have to go there for a quest. No, still no push rooms. It's really weird. Must be at the Peppa Patch or Coco. I really do not know where one could be. It's like mountain top, but we've already been there. This is weird. Well, I guess we might as well have a little look. Probably go. Should we defeat a spider? I think we've already done that though. So, wow. How many of these am I getting? Crazy. Might as well do the mantis. We get some. Okay. Oh, jellyfish. Why are they all like hidden in here? Okay, that was weird. I love the food zombie. You just give me all its berries. Yeah, you just gave me 5 bitter berries. That's actually really good. But yeah, didn't get anything too good from that. I really wish they made like an extra boss. Like, because they've only really got the king beetle and the tunnel bear. And I can't even defeat the tunnel bear at the moment. I guess the werewolf and the spider are kind of bosses. Very easy bosses. And the spider's probably like the easiest boss in the game. Then the werewolf, then king beetle, then tunnel bear, then coconut crab, and stump snail. Actually no, I forgot about the mono chip because we literally just defeated him like 10 minutes ago. So yeah. Get stuff. Where shall we go? I really have no idea, to be honest. We're not gonna be just playing Beast Swarm today, guys. We'll be playing a few different games. Just saying, because like, shall we go on something else? Like, it's kind of getting a bit more. Okay. Yeah. Maybe we shouldn't go on Far Race. I just think it kind of breaks the iPad. Do you want to do some SCP-96? That one.
Okay.
Is
doesn't look like it's gonna freak me out.
No, it's not scary. It's just the SCP. Oh, they've updated it. That's new. Hopefully they haven't changed too much. Yeah, they haven't changed a lot. Except for this. Oh, I'm gonna have to get used to that. Okay, that's normal. I don't want to be crouching. Be standing. Okay. Okay, this is normal. Okay. In a minute, Bruce is gonna take over from the seer skills. I'm just gonna show him what you have to do, how you activate SCP-96 and stuff. Yeah, you can't just stand on him, but you don't know how you get into the facility yet, do you? So, what you have to do, if you go over here, to where this random house is, if you jump past the dead bodies, and you go in here, and then you collect that, you hold that, ready. I'm going to get my gun out in case there's someone activates him and makes him come over towards me. Then all you have to do is and then you jump out. Then he's still in there. Okay, that's weird. He wouldn't normally. Control room. Open door 2. What you have to do is go like that. Come on guys, run. Because we're gonna die. I don't plan on dying. I'm gonna try and lead him outside. He's not walking yet. Drive. And you turn. You go all the way back over here. This is the best part. You have to if you lead him all the way over to here, then he will, yeah, look, he's coming. Then he's literally now at spawn. He's there. He will kill me, yeah? Which isn't as scary. Then what you do, go over to him, activate him again. So then he should go like this. Then you just go over to here. Like here. And he should come over. And then you get your gun out and you start shooting him. That wasn't too scary, was it? What you want to do, you want to try and lead him over to where spawn is, because you spawn over here, yeah? So whenever you spawn in, you land on top of him. It's just like... Where is he? Who's that? Shall we take him to party?
Sure.
Okay.
He deserves a party.
Not got much time. He's coming. Hey guys. She has no idea he's coming.
Party breaker.
No, she just died.
I want to have a go now.
Yeah. You know, it's my Bruce. Bruce is going to be playing now. You got the camera. They'll be sat next to him, showing what to do. So just go over to the party room. If you ever see the red dot, just always go towards the red dot. See that red dot?
Yeah.
You need to go around the thing though. See that? Always follow the red dot.
Right, where should I take him?
If you hear this, that means he's activated. Just go over to him and just stand on him and then just run wherever you want to. You can run to spawn, you can run to the facility.
I'll run to the facility actually.
Which is over.
I'll take a jeep.
No, you can't take a jeep.
I can just drive there, can I?
Right now, get out the room. Just run over that one. Just keep running over there. Go to that house. And then go upstairs. You see that yellow light?
Let's hope SCP-60.
Go towards that yellow light.
Okay.
You see, go in there and go upstairs and grab the card. Yeah. He's coming for you now. No, stay upstairs. It's gonna hurt.
I don't know.
You might not be able to get.
Wait, drive a jeep?
Oh no, he's still got you. I'll get you.
Okay, don't stay at the window. That's not okay. Don't stay near the window. I think that's why he killed. Why we got killed.
I'm gonna go towards him and activate.
Activation.
Oh, someone's already activated him. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna activate him. That's me.
Maybe they wanted some trouble. Now they're keeping away.
He'll be going after me now.
Yeah, that's a disappointment for that guy. Right.
Oh no. He's gonna
Get into
kill
a
me.
run.
Oh,
Get into the jeep.
no, he's gonna kill me. He just killed that guy.
Oh my god.
If I activate him, then run, grab the key card, then they can maybe get back to the facility without being killed. Let's hope I can. I'm going as fast as I can. This might work. I want to lead him back inside. It's my fault that he's outside. I brought him out. Now everyone here is gonna die.
Get in the jeep.
I can't. I have to wait. Because I can't get in someone else's jeep. You can only get in your
What? Yes, finally. You know who to kill.
Yeah, but then someone else is going to activate him. I'm going to go quick.
Right, run then.
If you see that moving from side to side, that means someone's activated him.
Right, run. Press the
I think
run
someone's already activated him. That's annoying.
button. Yeah.
I don't know who's this using. Yeah, someone's definitely activated him. Yeah, it's fine.
I don't think so. Anyone's activated him.
Yeah, they have. standing up. Is he not?
You said it had to be moving from side to side. It was moving from side to side. Anyway, SCP-096 is tall.
No, are you kidding me?
What?
It's not gonna work because someone shut the doors on me. I have to go get that and then I don't know why I just didn't get the card in the first place. To be
Just
honest.
get the card. Someone else will activate him.
I know. That's why I'm gonna get ready over there with the card, so then I can activate him whilst he's still over there, and then because I think quite a few people are probably trying to get inside.
You didn't get the card. You didn't get the card.
Really? Someone's activated him.
I don't think he's...
Oh no, no one has. Look at me. Someone's obviously gonna go and try activate him.
You'll get there?
Got him. Now let's lead him down here. Now no one can get him. It's coming now. See? He's literally outside. Yeah. Kidding me. How did he glitch through the wall though?
I think he glitched through the door.
Yeah.
Maybe
That's how annoyed I am. Probably gonna act.
Put a suit on. Fashion.
Okay. The blue one on.
I'd put the black or the other.
Why can't I wear it? I wanna wear it. Okay. Still not wearing it.
Hang on a sec.
Okay, now I am.
Now put the helmet on. Yeah. If only maybe we were like two players and then I could throw one
Yeah.
too.
To be honest, this is kind of getting boring. Should we actually try and not just activate him all the time?
Yeah. Give other people a chance.
Look, this is how SCP moves. Is this working? Looking sideways. How do you just walk along? I think I've broken. Oh, now I'm walking. I wish you could actually properly sprint. You're not moving very fast. Oh, someone's definitely activated him. Look, he's going out. And you can hear the noise as well. Can't be bothered though.
Try and get the button up there. That button.
Yeah, but I can't be bothered to go all the way back there.
Yeah.
Let me in. Let me in.
SCP-096 might come to the entrance and you can shoot him dead.
you.
Right now you got a card.
Yeah, because he gave me his. Sure. Let's go down.
I think that guy wants his card back.
He's gonna follow me and showing him how to do this. That puzzle's kind of annoying. You just have to try and. What? I spawned on him!
You're dead.
Oh! See what I mean, though? I didn't mean to. I didn't want to be mean to you. I'm dead. I really am dead this time. What? The gun's not gonna show you why. Okay. I don't know if he can get through the wall. Yes, he can't get through the wall. How did he get through the wall? What? What percent is it? The iPad on there. Okay.
What do you get wrong?
Actually, what percent?
What would that radiation thing have done?
63%. That's okay.
Wait, what?
Oh, that's like the explosion imminent evacuate the facility.
Oh, so that's the...
It's not started yet because we can't do it. Shall we do another game then?
Yeah.
Since we're going to be doing quite a few games in this video. We could play... Could do blocks routes. We could do...
How about we search for the game that I was playing?
Oh, yeah. Brain.
Brain Power Simulator IQ, I think that's it.
That one.
Type Brain Simulator IQ.
I don't think it is, yeah. That reminds me of another game that we can play though.
That thing where you have to be a zombie and collect
Yeah.
bones.
Well, you have to kill zombies. Oh no, your zombies kill other people. Don't even know what that is, to be honest. Should be around here. Should be over there, but... No, it's not here. Maybe if I type zombie tycoon.
Zombie was tycoon.
It might be this. Don't think it is though. No, it's definitely not. It could be this one. It's not this one either. It's gone. I don't know. Definitely, I think it's this one. Not this one either.
Do you think they're like getting rid of the game?
It's this one. Zombie. No, it's not this one either. I think it's probably because it's not a tycoon.
Zombie Lab?
Where does it say that? No. Don't know where it is. Probably it's been deleted from Roblox. Not played in so long. So I don't know. I mean, they played Door Sim. You wanna?
Yeah, let's do that.
Hey. Oh god, not played that game. This one. The back at doors. Get some pets here. No. Can we teleport? No, the doors. Oh, okay. I'd say I've unlocked a loft. Can't even tell. Might as well defeat the boss. Oh, he's got purple. That's actually pretty good for baby ambush. It's not good. Same with red. Red is trash. These pets took so long to get. Didn't even get an egg. Won't be any more bosses for a while. Oh yeah, then there's bosses here. Or is it Sky not killed him already? No, it just did. What pets can you even get from this? Yeah, really bad pets. Don't really get anything good. Might as well just not even break a bookshelf. Break this box. $600 million. I can't do that just yet. Bob Gopino, I know. Let's see. Shall we see if doors is still glitched?
Yeah,
So
check.
Went in the wrong game. Because it keeps glitching and unknown appears, which is, I think, is probably No! Are you kidding me? Let me read this from Tim. I'll leave this game and join again. I just don't get why I can't actually. Yeah, I found Jack in here. Why am I bold? For some reason I'm bowling. I don't always have the rain. It's kind of sad. Hopefully I don't get unknown. But Mohammed told me a way. Oh, you're kidding me. I'm even gonna always have crouch. I can't even buy anything. If I could, I would never have the crouch glitch ever again. Normally if you just go here then it appears, but I can't do anything with my life. So yeah, this is a glitch on mobile. But you can still go through, you just can't collect anything, which is annoying because that's what you get knobs with. No, I can't even hide in closets, so rush is pretty much impossible. So I always die at rush. Seek's impossible. I know. It's just to get enough mobs so then we can actually play. Because Mo told me a way that like crouch glitch doesn't show up. But you have to buy stuff in the shop and I can't do anything. Because of my can't even pick anything up. I don't even have enough knobs. I can't even use the key. If that person again. Hopefully I got some knobs. Otherwise I'm gonna never be able to play doors ever again. Probably, which is good. So I need knobs. Once I get to 50 knobs, then I can start playing doors again. Oh, I got 14. Okay,
Yeah, 31.
yeah, which is good. So that means if we keep doing this, then we will keep. Of course, we have to do it more than one player because we can't do anything.
Right, yeah.
Good. Literally, no, she knows the glitch because she can see that that's my head. I feel bad. I feel bad for that guy. So let me. Guys, come on, let's do a 4-player. Yeah, 4-player. Guys, 4-player. Yes.
Yeah, 4 player, you can win. Come on.
We'll make it one more person. If someone exits soon, I'm just gonna... Yes. We're doing well. We're doing well.
Just
Hopefully,
5
just
teammates,
all you
don't
have to
worry.
do is cross your fingers and no one doesn't show up. Because that's the only bad thing that could go on. Yes. Didn't even show up. Thank you, Unknown. Unknown used to show up every night. I literally just couldn't do anything. And before, I always got the crouch glitch, but then as soon as I went over here, the crouch glitch stopped, like literally. Now I can't even crouch. I just need to get as many knobs as I can in as little time as I can. Bust.
If the lights flicker,
Then I just have to
you'll
try.
continue.
No, I have to try and find somewhere to hide, because sometimes you can hide down there and stuff. But you just have to try and find somewhere to hide. If there is nowhere to hide, then there's literally just no point. You just die and then you collect the
To try
knobs.
and get more knobs.
Hopefully it's a 15 rush, because that means I'll get more knobs.
It's
I feel like a really bad player just because I'm dying early on. I am actually really good
Hey,
at
I'd be
doors.
lucky if I even made it this far.
No, it's really easy. It's only when it starts to get...
Say hi to Rush.
died again. Got some knobs. How many? Here I am.
No! You need to get knobs. You're not going outside.
It's good guiding lights mean. I did. But Rush still found me.
Got
I'm not going to use my revive, so I've got 45. Only 5 more, so one more run with dying, and then we can start playing again. Wait!
You're alone.
I hate them, they literally just left me. So annoying. Yeah.
Yeah.
I need to thank Mohammed for showing me that glitch.
Yeah. He didn't. Not even to hear. So, try and go for a 4-4.
I'll go for 4.
Yeah, go for it.
So we've got a 2. 2's enough. Just need one more person. Okay. Bye. That I agree getting this time. But anyway, got 3 people. Sorry, no showing up today.
Oh, look to the admin.
I'm just gonna pretend I'm a noob and don't know how to do this. They'll probably suspect that I'm just lazy, but I'm not.
You literally got a glitch. I don't think you look like
It's more like a curse, anyway. So it was fine until I got unknown for the first time.
you coming or something?
I can't even help them search the drawers. How did I just collect that? I literally just... Skeleton key. Guys, come over here. Swing. Guys.
Imagine if Rush comes in.
No, Rush won't come now.
Or some entity unknown. I think you.
No.
I can't hold you. Oh, I think he's going in.
No, they missed it. In here. There's a literal skeleton key. How did they not notice? I feel like someone... someone left. They all leave. No.
That guy was unknown. Hey, you.
I can't do it.
What's that down there?
This is where I have to leave because I can't crouch. Oh, I can't even get under there. Don't blame me, guys. It's not my fault. Feel bad, that guy's gonna be on his own now. I didn't even get any knobs because I didn't die. I'm an idiot. I should have stayed and waited until Rush came, and then Rush would have killed me, or Void would have killed me, and then I could have got through. But we all make mistakes. Hopefully we don't get any crouch rooms.
Can I try it?
Yeah. Bruce is gonna be playing in a minute. I'm just gonna get these last knobs, have one run, see how far I can get with the crouch button without the glitch.
You are doing it.
And then I'll hand it over to Bruce. See how well he can play doors. Oh, there could have been a crucifix in there. Guess we just forgot to check. Come on, not going back now. Surprised we haven't got dupe yet. Door Rush should spawn soon. This is as far as I can go. You have to go on without me. I sacrifice myself, Rush. Kill me. Should have enough knobs now. Hopefully.
No, that would make a good movie end. Wait, no, you said that this is the third time you're saying it. hoping you're hoping something good happens, and then but
Got
something bad
13.
happens, and that should go. That's
Oh, that
that
they
gets
read
us-
the mobile iPad phone computer ran out of battery.
This one.
No, the person I was playing with. Should I play with someone else? I hope this works. It might not.
Actually, I don't think anyone's coming. Find a 4-player.
Anyone want to join me?
Somebody does. 2 unknowns gonna be with you. He's probably gonna be like, cool.
No, imagine if this doesn't work. If this doesn't work, I want to kill myself. I'm telling you. So I'm gonna buy lighter. What's our thing to be Revive Yes! Wait. What?
Revive shield.
No. Are you kidding me? It didn't even work. It didn't work. This means that doors is well and truly glitched. I should never play this game again. Do you want to stop recording soon? Because you're going for about half an hour.
And that's more than 15 minutes.
Yeah, shall we do?
That's what we planned, right?
Yeah. Shall we do bit of fart race? Actually, no.
Try how about we try the brain IQ simulator thing?
It's really late now though.
What time is it?
I don't even know. It's like 10 o'clock.
It's 10:12.
Oh god. I think this might be the end of the video. So we'll see you in the next one. So yeah. Bye.